What's up? I'm Troubleshoot. Welcome back to another video. In this one, I'll be showing you Intel Exchange for Crown. In this mission, we'll need the Lost Room 403 key to complete it. I have it on me, so this should be easy. What we need to do is go to room 403 and extract the intel from it, and take the Building 21 USB stick from the dead drop in the Waterways and place it in the hotel room 2. For the Building 21 USB stick is to get it from under the waterway. So what we need to do here is head practically directly under the Tsuki Castle on the bottom right hand corner here, come over here to this dead drop and pick up the Building 21 USB from it. When you have it, we can continue to the next bit of the mission. Now for the next bits, find and extract the Mazrah shipping intel from room 403 and place the USB in the hotel room. What we need to do is navigate across to the west side of the map here, zooming in the top left of F6, top right of E6, you'll find this building here, right above the city hall. That's where we need to head. If it's a stronghold, which it isn't always, you'll need to get a stronghold card to get in there, and on top of that, you'll need the key card for the room. So what you'll want to do is head up the elevator to the 4th floor here. You'll find room 401, 402, and 403. This is the one you'll need the key to get to, even though you needed a stronghold key to get in here in the first place. So we'll unlock it, head inside, and just inside of here, you should find in this direction a metal briefcase and the Mazrah shipping intel, as well as some pretty other high-value loot. It's a good key to have nonetheless. Now, when you have all of this done, just by entering this room here, the key should automatically be placed. I'm not too sure what I ran past, but regardless, the key will automatically place itself in here. Now, all we have to do is just extract, as the easiest part of this. Just like that, we've now finished Intel Exchange for Crown. So, thank you all for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao!